there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet the large scalloped edging. And this is an easy pattern. It doesn't require you to have a special pattern for the corners. It's just a repeat of 2 rounds, and this is how it looks like. So let's get started. I'm working around my sample made with double crochet stitches, around which I've crocheted a round of single crochet with 3 stitches in each corner, this is my base onto which I'm going to start my large scallop edging, and I'm using a round yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. You will need to have multiples of 9 stitches around your blanket. If you are crocheting this edging around just a straight edge, you will need multiples of 9 plus 7 chains. But for this, because it's square, you'll need multiples of 9. And we will start our first round with a slip knot, and we will join into the corner. And in my case, the corner will be the second of the 3 single crochet I've made in the corner. So right about here. So let's join, and we are going to chain 2. This chain 2 does not count as a stitch. So let's start our first round by making into the same corner stitch a double crochet, chain 5, and double crochet into the same stitch. Then skip 2 stitches, and into the next make a single crochet. So skip 2 and single crochet, then chain 3, skip 2 and single crochet, and then we will skip 2. So this is your repeat section for this round. You'll make a double crochet, chain 5, double crochet into the stitch, skip 2, single crochet next, chain 3, skip 2, single crochet, and then skip 2. And repeat this all around. It does not matter that it is the corner or it is the edge, makes no difference. Make sure when you double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, make sure it falls into the corner. And if you don't have enough stitches, if you have a large blanket and you don't want to count the stitches, to adjust and make sure the double crochet, chain 5, double crochet falls into the corner, adjust how many stitches you are skipping. So instead of skipping 2, you might skip 3, or you might skip 1, and adjust that so that double crochet, chain 5, double crochet falls into each corner, so you will have a nice blanket. So let me show you one more repeat. So like I said, the repeat ends with skip 2. So now we start a new repeat, and it's double crochet, chain 5, and then double crochet into the same stitch, and then skip 2, single crochet next, chain 3, and skip 2 and single crochet next, and skip 2. So we will be starting the next repeat in here, and just repeat that all around. You'll have these loops going all around your blanket. I'll continue to repeat this section right here all around until I reach the beginning of round 1, and then I'll show you round 2. And now I've reached the end of the round. I've single crocheted and I have 2 stitches left. Now to close the round, a slip stitch at the top of the double crochet right here, just slip stitch, and this is your first round. and you have these loops onto which we will crochet the scallops. As you see here, instead of skipping 2 stitches, I've skipped 1, so this double crochet fits into the corner. So this is how I have adjusted this pattern. This is how you do it if you don't have enough stitches. So yeah, let's continue with round 2. To start round 2, slip stitch into the chain 5 and then chain 2. This does not count as a stitch, it's just for height. We will start with 12 treble. So we will make 12 trebles into this chain 5. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over 2 through, and yarn over. And this is how you make a treble. So now we make 12 of them in total. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we have 2 more, 11 and 12. And we have this scallop right here, the large one. All right, so into the next chain 3 we will make a single crochet, and then again into the next chain 5, 12 trebles. So basically this is your repeat section right here. 12 trebles into the chain 5, 1 single crochet into the chain 3, 12 trebles into chain 5, single crochet in chain 3. Let me show you again really quickly. 1 repeat, so 12 treble in chain 5, so we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and last one, 12. So 12 trebles into the chain 5 and 1 single crochet into the chain 3, and it's that simple. So repeat this section all around until you have single crocheted into the last chain 3. So repeat that regardless of the corners. Just do that in each of these chain 5 and chain 3 until you reach the beginning. So now I've crocheted into the last chain 3, and to close off the round, a slip stitch into the first treble you have made at the beginning. So slip stitch, cut the yarn, and you are done. And this is how it looks like. And this is how you crochet the large scalloped edging. I also call it lily pad edging because it looks like lily pads. I have used this border into my white water lily blanket, and you will understand why I call it the lily pad border. But yeah, I hope my tutorial was easy to follow. If you have any questions about this border, feel free to put it in the comments below, and I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Happy crocheting!